All right, Florida's back. The sun, it's like 63 today. Yes. And I got on the scales today, 182. So February 7th is 90 days. And I've done 30 pounds in under 90 days. I'll get an exact day count later. But anyway, I got my run done. I'm getting ready to go ride the bike, but I was excited to share that. So I figured I'd go ahead and turn this on. Good morning, everybody. Have a great Monday. We'll see you in a few. Ah, the sun is back. Finally. Good morning, everybody. All right, guys, workout is done. Holy crap, that sun's bright. Woo, glad I got a hat on. Anyway, today is hopefully finish up silver day. I just got to put the gas tank on, the instrument cluster. I got to fix the primary over here. So I'm gonna need to go get a gasket from Harley. Yay, bike ride to Harley. Anyway, I just looked it up. 84 days. So I lost 30 pounds in 84 days with only diet and exercise, no supplements, no extras, nothing fancy, no gym, just a bicycle, some running shoes, and diet change. So I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. But today the workout was great. The sun's out, it's in the 60s. I don't mind workouts on days like today. And I don't know, I was just like happy and feeling it today. So I've earned coffee. I'm gonna go get some, then I'm gonna get my butt out here and hopefully fire up silver here in a little bit. Anyway, we'll see you in a few. All right, it's time. Let's get silver put back together, hopefully running today. And this will have been a successful weekend, but it's not just gonna put itself back together, so I guess I better get to work. Let's get it done. Hi guys, silver is ready to fire. Tank's on. I've already cranked it over a little bit, good compression. Got some oil pumping through the system. Still got to get this gasket, which Bretz doesn't open till 10, so I'm waiting on them. So I'm gonna run, get that gasket, come back, put this together, fill it up with fluid, and hopefully I'm starting it. That would be so cool. That would be another project done. I'm pretty excited. Anyway, so let's see. Hopefully I didn't screw anything up and everything is like great when I crank this thing up. So here we go. Let's go get that part. Time to go get some pots so I can get silver finished up.
Yep. All right, my story's not over.
Here bright and early before the party starts. Party will start soon though. Yay, they had it. Now I can go put this thing back together. So, wish me luck. Alright guys. I think it's ready to start. Man, I hate this part. I got everything on except the air cleaner and the seat. I haven't put gas in it yet, but there should be a little gas left in the tank, enough for it to just fire over once anyway. Man, I hate this part. The most exciting part is also the scariest, worst part. So I guess we'll just see if it fires up. There you go. It fired up. It's alive! All right, there she is. Apart and back together again, and actually running. Holy shit. All right, guys, so here's an interesting story for you. As a lot of you know that follow along, last year in Michigan, my stator went out. When it went out, it blew out my tachometer and my speedometer. So I ordered a used speedometer from a 2005 CVO Fatboy because I wanted the CVO speedometer. And they sent it to me, and you know, I didn't think much about it, and then I'm like, well, crap, I'm gonna have to plug it in, take it to the dealership, have it reprogrammed. I even talked to the guys at the dealership, and they're like, yeah, it's gonna give you an error code, and then you're gonna have to bring it in, and we're gonna have to program it, because my old speedometer had 140,000 miles on it. Well, guess what? Silver is brand new. Silver now has 17,396 miles. So it plugged right in. Everything worked. Who knew? So that's an interesting development I was not expecting. But at least I have a speedometer, an odometer that works. Haven't tested the speedometer yet. Then I just got to get a tachometer, and I'm rocking. So we'll see what we can come up with. All right, so I figured while I was cleaning silver, look at silver, all shiny over there, I would go ahead and clean up the Jeep too. What do you think? Not bad for a 35-year-old Jeep. Look at her just shining away there. I use the Amsoil Miracle Wash stuff on it too. I figured I'd try it. I use it on my bikes all the time. This stuff, I washed it and then I cleaned it with that. I'm a big fan. This stuff really shines. Anyway, of course, if you need it, you know, just go to my Amsoil link. And yes, I get paid a little bit for it. Oil, whatever you guys need, Amsoil, let me know. If you don't have the link, I'll send the link to you. You just go online, you shop away. Whatever you get, I benefit from. Anyway, still waiting on the girls. That seems like a theme of my life, waiting on girls. When you have a wife, 2 daughters, a mother-in-law, both the dog and the cat are girls. I mean, waiting on girls has pretty much been my life for the past 30 years. So anyway, I'm waiting on the girls, but I did get the Jeep all done. I think I'll put it up, go clean up, get ready to go out to eat tonight. So anyway, this may be the end of the video, may not. You'll just have to hang out and see. If it is the end, see you tomorrow. All right, guys, so I lied. It's not over yet. We're here for dinner. There's a nice sunset behind me. The water's right there. My daughter's working right there. She's gonna be mad because I put her in there. There's G-Ma and G-Pa. There's Mama Badger waving. Oh look, it's the Missouri folk. That would be my brother-in-law, Kim. And that would be my sister, Linda. My little sister, Linda. Like half my size, little sister, Linda. She always says she's my big sister. She obviously has no recollection of what size is. But anyway, this is their last night. So we're going to have a nice family meal on the water. And I'm going to get off here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.